Good morning. Our lesson today about shapes. Two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes, they have only two dimensions, length and width. These shapes are flat shape. You may already know the names of these shapes, but we are going to talk about different attributes of each shape and compare some of shapes. When we talk about two-dimensional shapes, we talk about sides and corners. This shape is called triangle. Triangle. Let's count how many sides in any triangle. But do you know what is the meaning of side? Side mean line. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 sides. How many corners in a triangle? You can ask me the meaning of corner. Corner where 2 sides come together and meet. Where 2 sides meet in one point is called corner. I point to the corner to count with me. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 corners. Now you know triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. This shape is called square. Square. Can you tell me the number of sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. What about the number of corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Can you tell me something you notice about the 4 sides on the square? Excellent. All 4 sides of the square are the same size or equal in length. That is very important to remember it about square. This shape is called rectangle. Rectangle. Count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. How many corners in a rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. What do you notice about sides in any rectangle? The sides on the left and right are the same size. The sides on the top and bottom have the same size. So opposite sides are equal in length. I wanted to compare between square and rectangle. They have the same number of sides. They have 4 sides and same number of corners. They have 4 corners, but the difference between them is about the sides. In a square, all sides are equal in length, but in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal in length. This shape is called circle. Circle. I don't see any straight side on a circle. The circle is made up one curved line. So the number of sides is 0 and the number of corners is 0. Circle has 0 side and 0 corner. Two-dimensional shapes all around us. Look at the picture and discover how many squares. Excellent. 3. 1, 2, 3. How many triangles? Perfect. It's 2. 1, 2. How many circles? We have a lot of circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 circles. How many rectangles? 6. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are going to learn about some three-dimensional shapes. They are called three-dimensional shapes because they have 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. These shapes are not flat, they are solids. When we talk about three-dimensional shapes, we talk about faces, edges, and corners. We have a cube, for example. What is the meaning of faces? The faces are the flat surfaces of three-dimensional shape. Like this is called face. The meaning of edge. Edge, where two faces meet. You have two faces here and they are intersect in one line. It's called edge. What is the meaning of corner? Corner, where edges meet. You have 3 edges and meet in one point, is called corner. This solid is called cube. I want you to count the number of faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 flat faces. All of them are squares. Count with me the number of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cube has 12 edges. Count with me the number of corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cube has 8 corners. Look at the cube here. It has 6 faces. I can open this cube. How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 squares. I can fold 6 squares to make a cube again. Okay, what do you notice about squares in a cube? Yes, they have same size. All of faces have same size. Let's see some real life items that are a cube. Again, I can open a cube. It has 6 faces as squares and all faces have same size. We have another solid. This solid is called cuboid. It has another name, rectangular prism. Count with me how many faces in cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 flat faces. Can you count with me the number of edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges. Count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 corners. Let's see cuboid. It has 6 flat faces. I can open it. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has a lot of rectangles. It has a lot of rectangles. I can fold it. Pay attention with me and tell me what you notice about opposite faces. This face, the back, and this face, opposite face, they are equal. The face on the left and on the right, they are equal. The face in the bottom and on the top, they are equal. So now opposite faces are the same size. Opposite faces are the same size. Let's see some real life items that are cuboid. I wanted to compare between attributes about cuboid and cube. They have the same number of faces. They have 6 flat faces, the same number of edges, 12 edges, the same number of corners, 8 corners. But the difference between them is about faces. In a cube, all faces have the same size. But in cuboid, opposite faces have same size. We have another solid. This solid is called square-based pyramid. Square-based pyramid. Can you count the number of faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 flat faces. 4 of them are triangles. It has 4 triangular faces and 1 square face. Again, it has 5 flat faces. 4 of them are triangles and 1 is a square. The number of edges: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 edges. The number of corners: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 corners. Let's see square-based pyramid. It has 5 faces. I can open it. Count with me the number of triangles: 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 triangles and 1 square. I can fold it. This is a square-based pyramid. I can open square-based pyramid. Let's see some real life that are square-based pyramid. Another solid. This solid is called slender. Slender. Count with me the number of faces. We have 2 circular faces, 1 and 2. 2 circular faces, and it has 1 curved. It has 1 curved. When we open the cylinder, this curved is a rectangle. We can get a cylinder by folding the rectangle. Count with me the number of edges. Do you see any edge here? No, it has 0 edge and 0 corners. Let's see cylinder. It has two circles, one in the top and one in the bottom. I can open the cylinder. It has two circles and one rectangle. Again, we can get a cylinder by folding this rectangle. I can fold this rectangle again. Now we have cylinder. I can open the cylinder. Let's see some real life that are cylinder. This solid is called cone. Cone. Count with me the number of faces. It has one circular face and one curved face. The number of edges, 0 edges. The number of corners, it has one corner, and this corner is called pointy top. Pointy top. Let's see cone. It has one circle and one curved face. I can open the cone. Let's see some real life like a cone. We have another solid. This solid is called sphere. Sphere. It has 0 flat faces and one curved face. The number of edges is 0. The number of corners is 0. Let's see sphere. It's like a ball. It has one curved face. Let's see some real life items that are sphere. Read the question with me. Circle suitable object that represents the solid. We have a sphere. Which object like a sphere? Another example. Cone. The party hat. Cube. Tie is a cube. Cylinder. Battery is a cylinder. Can you read this question with me? Circle the solids that consist of the shown shape. We have a square. Which solid is consist square? Sphere, cube, cone, squared based pyramid. Excellent. We have two solids. Cube because it has 6 faces. They are squares, and square based pyramid because it has one square face. Circle. Have cone, square based pyramid, cuboid, and cylinder. Which solids is consist circle? Excellent. We have cone and it has one circular face, and cylinder it has 2 circular faces. Triangle. Which is consist of triangle? It's only one, squared based pyramid, because it has 4 triangular faces. Rectangle. Excellent. Cuboid, it has rectangles. Don't forget your homework. Page 39, 40, 41, 42. Goodbye.